Eye and Mind. The Shin Collection is a selection of pieces from a private collection of known and unknown works of art assembled by Hong Gyu Shin, who began collecting when he was 13 years old. His bountiful treasures, which span the globe, include works by Joshua Johnson, Willem de Kooning, Man Ray, Balthus, Honore Daumier, Carla Prina, Leonara Carrington, and many other important names from art history, juxtaposed with the painting and sculpture of our own time from all over the world. This eclectic collection tells a story of humanity's artistic endeavours, starting with an ancient Greek vessel dating from the 3rd century BCE, moving forward in time up to a contemporary sculpture created in the 21st century. With over 100 works of art bridging over 30 art movements, an array of artistic practice and media including drawing, photography, painting and textiles, this exhibition is organised into categories that blur the distinction between fine and decorative art and includes underrepresented female artists, outsider artists, self-taught, queer artists and some of the greatest of the 20th century. Eye and Mind, the Shin Collection, will take visitors on a journey through an all-embracing art historical timeline.